Hi, Dr. Williams here, a facelift specialist, answering your questions about facial rejuvenation. One question I get a lot is, how soon can I expect to see results from a skin rejuvenation program? It's a pretty common question we get. Well, the benefits of this topic are really depending on what you're trying to treat. Are you trying to treat hyperpigmentation? Are you trying to treat dehydration? Overall aging? Those things typically take, so for example, overall aging, hyperpigmentation, and some of the redness and dry skin, large pores, typically take between 30 to 90 days or so, depending on the treatment regimen. We also incorporate with that daily skincare in-office treatments to make them a little bit more effective. Things like just dehydration, in a period of a number of days, you can almost see instantaneous results with the right treatment regimen using a triple lipid moisturizer or one of the other moisturizers we would recommend. So the short answer is, if you're currently taking care of your skin very well, results are going to be slower, right? I mean, if you have just a minimal sun damage and you've always taken good care of your skin, if you do nothing, if you've done nothing to your skin before, the results are going to be a little more dramatic, providing you're consistent with your skincare regimen. What is a recovery period? There really is not much of a recovery period. There's an adjustment period. When you first start with skincare, sometimes 2 or 3 weeks it takes before your skin, you might have a couple breakouts and some flakiness, and then things kind of stabilize. And then over the next 60 to 90 days, you'll start to see slow improvement if you use it consistently. So again, it's normal to have some adjustment period for 2 to 3 weeks. What are the costs? Well, spending money on skin treatment programs can change the function of the skin, and it depends on the regimen. Our goal is really to only dispense physician-recommended treatments, things that actually work, things that we have taken the time to really evaluate. We want to make sure we're adding value to the relationship. We're not looking to load people up on skincare products. And this is one of my pet peeves from the skincare counters. We're not here to just sell things. I think if we can find 2 or 3 things, depending on your skin type, whether it's oily, whether it's fair skin, to really make the biggest difference, that's where we're going to make an impact. So it's usually hundreds, over a period of time, hundreds of dollars. It is not inexpensive, but done correctly is more cost effective than just spending a lot of money on fancy and expensive moisturizers at the skincare counter. The other thing that's important to stress really is the importance of consistency. If people do it for 2 or 3 days and then don't do anything and they're out on the boat and they're laying in the sun, they're going to have a lot more damage to the skin than someone who's consistently protecting their skin, using good SPF when they're out there, sun protection with a hat, and then also a good skincare regimen. It's also important to mention that when we start people out, we will often try them on samples to make sure that they're not sensitive or have allergies. Once we know their skin is acclimated, then they can purchase the products. So really, to see the results, you want to see consistency, you want to see something that has been customized for your skin, and that's how we do it. So in closing, find more information, head to our website at williamssurgery.com, and be sure to follow us on Facebook and Instagram for the newest topics. And thanks a lot for watching my YouTube videos. They can be found at YouTube /Williams Center. Thanks so much.